we're going to actually demonstrate on a client's ring how milgraining is applied. You may have heard that word, and kind of have an idea that it's associated with antique jewelry, and you would be correct. But the real definition of milgrain and explanation of it, it is that little fine beaded edge put into antique and estate jewelry, but found very much so in modern and new jewelry, and of course retro jewelry, and also in adding to a piece that may not have been designed originally for milgrain, but has the ability to add milgrain. And that is today's project. Today's project is a sapphire and diamond ring. Now, upon looking at and examining this ring and discussing with the client, they were most excited to hear that the ring was made to have milgrain added. Again, milgrain being the fine beaded edge. Now, I have gone ahead and already applied milgraining so you would see exactly what it looks like. And of course, the side with the little beads on the very outer edge, that's what we're out to achieve and match on the alternate side of the ring, plus around the center stone. And let's just give you a better look at the sides. This is, if you can see at the very edge of the ring, there's a little lip. That is where the beads are going to be created, not made. We're going to create them from the metal present. On the other side is the side that's why I've already got my jeweler's garb on. I have gone ahead and already done so you could see the gold. We also, on the very top of the ring, you see the portion going around the outer part of the diamond has that same little lip. And because it does, that is going to allow us to take a tool that you're going to see right here. Now these are two, they're made in probably over a dozen different sizes, but these are two other sizes that they're made in. And there's a wheel on the very end of this tool, and that's what makes this such an unusual item on a jeweler's bench, is because of how small and minute the wheel is. Now I'm going to demonstrate exactly how this simple mechanism, the wheel, works. And without being able to turn one of man's first inventions, we could not achieve what we're going to do. So this is just a sheet of metal, and I'm just using it to place along as if I was going to apply it to the edge of this. And if you can see, because I'm not looking at it really closely, but I haven't actually tried that wheel. Was that one turning? These actually, you have to replace them over time because they will freeze up. I think you can probably see this one turning. It's very minute, even with magnification. So that little wheel is going to be applied with pressure around and along the sides and edge of this ring. And we are going to create a bead from the edge of the metal. I have gone ahead and put the ring in a vice clamp that jewelers use. Now, what I find that works best to keep the wheel spinning, so to speak, is of course, you needed a lubricant, but kind of a specific one. You can use plain beeswax, but I find if you actually use the lip wax-based gloss type of chapsticks, they will act as a fantastic lubricant without